Hello everyone. Today in this video you are going to learn SAP keyboard shortcuts. It is very important that we should know keyboard shortcuts in SAP in order to expedite our work. For your convenience, I have also added the icons for making it easier for you to understand shortcut key pertaining to which portion in SAP. So now moving to SAP shortcuts. For user menu, use Ctrl F10. For SAP menu, Ctrl F11. For business workplace, Ctrl F12. To insert folder, Ctrl Shift F5. In order to find, Ctrl F. To continue your search, Ctrl G. To delete, Shift F4. To copy paste, Shift F12. For example, if you have selected any material number in Excel and you want to copy paste them in SAP, you can press Shift F12. Similarly, you can press Shift F4 in order to delete them from SAP. In order to go back, press F3 or F12. To go back or log off from SAP, press Shift F3. To execute, press F8. To change the layout, press Ctrl F8. To select layout, Ctrl F9. To save layout, Ctrl F10. To cancel, press F12. To continue, press Enter. To save, press Ctrl S. For print, use Ctrl P. For page up, Ctrl page up. For page down, Ctrl page down. For inserting any transaction into favorites, use Ctrl Shift F4. For moving favorite up, Ctrl Shift F1. For moving favorite down, Ctrl Shift F2. In order to go back, then in the command field of SAP, you can write /n to execute any T code. You can write /n and mention the T code like ME23 or MB5P. And in the command field of SAP, you can also write /o and mention the T code like MB51. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.